been working on my bedroom for quite a while, so I'm super excited to share what he keeps farting. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my bedroom transformation. I have been working on this for quite some time, so I'm super excited to now share this with you guys. I will be breaking up this video into several parts just because I didn't want to cram in all the information into just one video. So this video is just going to be my initial process of transforming the room, so like pink colors, getting my bed together, headboard, all that. In the following videos that I'll do for this, I will show you what kind of furniture and little stuff like rugs and lighting fixtures and all that. I'll show you what I do with that when that comes up, because I didn't want to cram in, of course. He's drinking water. Before we start, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone that's been watching my previous videos. It looks like you guys are really enjoying my point of view within design. So keep liking, subscribing. I will be continuing to make content like this, so if this interests you, please keep on watching. And of course, you'll get to see more dogs, so they're always around. So let's start this makeover. If you saw my previous video, I created these mood boards to try to figure out what color palette I was mostly drawn to and to understand the feel of the space I intended to create. I later on came across this website, Homestyler, thanks to one of Kiba Brent's Instagram lives. I will link down to her channel below because she's an incredible designer. In Homestyler, you can design your space all digitally and in 3D. You can then create and design your space by customizing the furniture provided by the software. Once you're happy with what you've created, you can then render your space and create realistic, high-quality images of your designs. I'm still fairly new to this program and I'm still trying to figure it out. If it is of any interest to you guys, I can later on do a tutorial of this once I'm more comfortable with it. These are the images I was able to create with Homestyler. You can really see how my initial mood boards helped to translate my vision to this. I now have a pretty accurate vision of what my space will eventually look like. I'm doing a voiceover because the echo in this room is terrible. This is how my space is starting out. It's been a year since we purchased our home and I've hardly done anything to this room. One of the first things that had to go was a carpet because pads and carpets is not the most ideal situation. I'm still going for an overall moody space, so to create that, I'm going to be painting 3/4 of the wall black and the rest will remain an off-white. I tried many configurations, but the bed has to be positioned adjacent to my bedroom door. I will also be trying to tackle whitewashing the floors. Hopefully that takes care of that weird discoloration on the floors. I haven't done that before, but hopefully it's simple enough that I can just figure it out. Once the walls were painted, it was time to get started on the floors. I first started by cutting around the entire perimeter of the floors with Home Depot's Scuff Defense in the color Solid Opal. I thought that because this paint is meant to withstand lots of wear and tear, it would be a great paint to use on the floors. In hindsight, I maybe would have done a lighter coat all around the edges because you can kind of see a border peeking through in some areas. I tried using a sponge and then I later switched on to a rag. It ultimately didn't look great either way, and I also tried using a roller. This gave me a better effect and created a nicer finish. Knowing what I know now, I would have maybe not watered down this paint as much as I did because it slightly took away its scuff defensibilities. This was very much so a learning experience. I tried so hard for the floors to look washed with a hint of wood that I probably spent too much time fussing with it. You can see that I'm stopping and assessing how it looks and not really being happy with it. I did not let that stop me. I kept pushing forward, and in the end, the floors turned out okay. I found this really nice affordable Zinus Platform Bed on Amazon. I have a link for it down below if you're interested. While I do really love this bed, it kind of came in with some slight cosmetic damage, and I ultimately ended up keeping it just because I didn't really want to fuss with returning it and then having to wait for something to be shipped out to me. It was really easy to put together, and I really like how simple and modern the design of it looks in this space. After all the painting was done, it was time to take a trip to my favorite store. I honestly love my local Home Depot because all the employees are super nice and are always so helpful. On this trip, I am buying all the materials that I will need to make my headboard. My sister isn't a huge fan of joining me on these trips because I easily get sidetracked. But did I mention that I love Home Depot? Yes, I am that person that will go through the entire stack of wood to make sure the ones that I am picking out don't have a weird bend. So what just happened?
We couldn't fit the madera in the car.
We went to return them and bought some new madera.
And now we're stress eating.
Now we're stress eating. Look, we also got...
There is no we in the other car.
Oh, there's a we in this part too.
The we is here. That's you.
So we're stress eating because we literally could not get this plywood sheet in the car. So we just went back there, returned them, bought smaller ones.
This could have been avoided if you just originally did what I told you. And measured them.
Are you okay?
Yes. El polvito. It's like she's telling me not to be fat. You gonna give me some of that water. I'm gonna die.
You want some chocolate too?
No.
Come.
What? Calm
To
my
wash it
throat.
down.
It's still looking good on this lady.
These are clip-ins. These are clip-ins.
They're not clip-ins. They're literally my 1, 2, and 3 grade. It was like I was laughing and inhaling in, and like I crunched the chip at the same time, and the burrito like hit the back of my throat. That's what happened.
We're going home now.
So get home.
Bye. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I tackled the headboard. I do want to say I am getting over a sunburn on my face, so that's why I'm a little bit greasy throughout this video. But that's beside the point. Like always, if you like this video, subscribe. Consider liking this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys soon. Alrighty, take care. Bye. Hello, welcome back to another video on this.